Okay, we're live. Good day, guys. Welcome back to the Tech Zone. So, today we are going to be dealing with five things you need to know before coding in 2023. As it's as easy as it may sound, coding now these days is getting really advanced, and the computer age really growing real fast, and people jumping into the aspect of computer science. Without wasting too much of you guys' time, I'm just going to take you to the number one, which says know your career needs. First of all, a lot of people these days now want to do computer engineering, computer science, engineering, and different um stuff related to IT development and the rest, like IT consultants and the rest. But now let me just sound it to you guys that sooner or later the demands of um people who want to study the computer field in school, like, we increase drastically, from the building of AI bots to creation of robotics and blah and the rest. We have a lot of them. So to quit that, like, to avoid that rampage, to avoid all those things, you need to know these five things you need to know before coding in 2023. As as a student in a school or whatsoever, you might be looking for where to start from in coding. To use, like, you want to start your journey from, like, to be a software engineer also. So first off, you need to know your career needs. Now, it was what I was explaining just now. Knowing your career needs. If I want to be a computer engineer now, okay, yes, I'll know my area of specialization where I want to, actually focus on. If you also want to be a mechanical engineer or whatsoever, you should know that, okay, in my particular field, I'll know what to apply. The use of AI, mean, yeah, technology and the rest, and where you're going to need support and all of that. So that is basically all that is about knowing your career needs. So second of all, it says here, know your area of specialization. Know your area of specialization doesn't mean that you should just know if you want to be a computer science engineer or the rest. Yeah, it means that, like, you need to know the language. Yeah, it's number two and number three. Now they are actually interwoven, they are intertwined. Knowing, like, your language, or so like area of specialization. Now you know that, okay, yes, I want to be in this particular part of computer science. Knowing that you want to chase a career of being maybe a game developer, yeah, a game developer, a web developer, there are a lot of developers out there. So you can choose to be maybe even a virus developer, or so. You can choose to be a developer of your dream. It's just up to you learning the programs. Yes. So with this, moving to the third one, know your languages. Yeah, knowing your languages basically now is where you pick from your area of specialization. Like, let's say you picked being a game developer. Being a game developer now, you know that you need to learn things like JavaScript, Java, C, yeah, Objective C, C plus, and the rest, C plus plus. So, and if you want to be a web developer, you need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You learn Laravel for app and the rest. You learn which other one again? So I think you also learn C to better, and Python for your backend program and the rest. So that's basically all about knowing your languages. And fourth of all, you need to create new problems. Without creating new problems, there's no way you can learn more, because basically you have to learn from errors. You need to learn from errors, because without having errors, you are basically not learning. Yeah. So, like, without failure, there is no success. Except, like, if someone is being successful for too long, know that the person hasn't experienced failure, and um really 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 not good. So first off, you need to create new problems for yourself, so you can know how to tackle them. Tackling them, you have to think like people think like the people that will use your software, think like them, so that then you create a problem that you be like, okay, I can solve this way, because there are different varieties of problem out there, also known as bugs, that can, cause issues for customers that will try to use your software. And also you need to really look into that. And fifth of all, you need to stay consistent. Staying consistent is one of the key factors which is going to help your programming life. As tough as it may be, you know really programming can actually take down your concentration toward other things. So if you're programming, like, you're basically entitled to focus on your particular language for a very long period of time, because of you creating problems and solving them, facing bugs and the rest. But let all this not bother you, because you need to stay consistent so you actually achieve your goal in creating your masterpiece. Because yes, you are very very close in creating that masterpiece. I believe you will. And yes, you will. So please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, because here I teach HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in case if you're willing to learn, I think you should check out the videos you see down in the video list. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice one, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice one. Goodbye.